this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow and take care of new lawn sod. Now, especially if you live in a warm climate, the easiest way to grow a new lawn is by sod, and then you just roll out your new grass. Now, once you have your grass laid out, there's a few rules you should follow. Number one, never let it dry out too much, and never let it sit in water. So the best time to put down sod is in the spring or the fall. You don't really want to do it in the heat of the summer or in the cold of the winter unless you live in a really warm climate. Now, when you water, you don't want to water in the heat of the day. You want to water either in the evenings or the mornings, because if you put down new sod and it's really hot, sometimes it can get sunburned when you water it. Now, you don't want to fertilize at all. You want to just let it to get accustomed to your lawn, because a lot of times I've found fertilizer just will wash right off, and fertilizer won't address the issues. If it's got good soil underneath the sod, you've got to make sure you've got a good base, a potting soil or organic compost that's broken down so that it's got something to grab onto, and you want good drainage, because you don't want it just sitting right on clay or right on cement where there's no drainage at all. But if you just make sure that you've got enough sun and that you water enough and that you don't fertilize, you will have a gorgeous lawn before long.